Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I think we all know these days that we're still going to continue to be doing some virtual screen time, and so having a good camera is such a big help when it comes to being on a meeting. This one from JETAKu is a really crisp, light and simple webcam, but it's so effective and gives you such a clear and crisp screen. You can see up close that it is a small size. It fits right into the palm of my hand. However, the features on it are really well designed and feel nice and sturdy and well made. The plastic pieces on, including the screen, are really firmly in place, which I really like because I've had some in the past that just came out, and this screen definitely will not. Once you close it, it completely blocks out all features of your camera from working, so you know that it feels nice and safe. It plugs in by USB and it gives you that nice crisp 1080p vision. From the surroundings of your computer, it will give you about 3 meters around, depending on how far away that you sit from your camera. And I really like that it gives you such a crisp and clean screen. I love designs that are simple but yet so effective, and you definitely will get that from this camera. Why not check it out for yourself? You'll see how crisp and clean that you will look on screen, making yourself feel more confident on meetings. But that's just my point of view.